Hello friends, the cabinet door at home has been used for a long time. The fixing screw hole of the door anklet will sometimes be broken and the door will fall off accidentally. This is because the fixing screw hole is getting bigger and bigger, so the screw cannot be tightened. Today I will share with you a simple repair method. You can also repair this screw hole at home. First, we use an 8mm twist drill to enlarge the original hole a little bit, so that it will be convenient for us to fill it later. After the hole is enlarged, clean up the fallen sawdust residue. Then we prepare a piece of kitchen tin foil, fold the tin foil in half, and cut them one by one with scissors. This tin foil is used as a filler and can also be used with other fill the two screw holes with materials such as sawdust. After cutting, we first put a little super glue in the two screw holes and then stuff the cut tin foil into the screw holes. When filling, fill a little at a time, don't fill it all up. After stuffing, pour some super glue and repeat the previous process until the screw hole is full. After it is almost filled, we put a layer of baking soda on the outside of the screw hole. After the super glue inside solidifies, the screw hole is repaired. Finally, we reinstall the door anklet. Now the door anklet can be firmly fixed on the door panel. If you also encounter this kind of fault, you can repair it according to the method in the video.